Estar, to be in Spanish. In this video I will show you the individual parts of this irregular verb in the present tense in Spanish. Vámonos. I will now go through the present tense in its individual parts slowly and deliberately. Vámonos. Estoy. Estás. Está. Estamos. Estáis. Están. Let's go through that again a little bit more quickly. Estoy. Estás. Está. Estamos. Estáis. Están. Now I'm going to go through that again, but this time I'm going to give a little pause so you can repeat what I've just said. And it's really quite important that you interact, because by interacting and actually saying things, you will learn this particular tricky verb. Estoy. Estoy. Your turn. Muy bien. Estás. Estás. Your turn. Muy bien. Está. Está. Your turn. Muy bien. Estamos. Estamos. Your turn. Muy bien. Estáis. Estáis. Your turn. Muy bien. Están. Están. Your turn. Muy bien. I'm now going to go through the verb and underline specifically what each of the different parts actually mean. Vámonos. Estoy means I am. So estoy, I am. Estás. Estás means you are in the to or friendly form. Estás. Está. Está means he is or she is or you are in the polite form, the usted form. Está. Estamos means we are. Estamos. Estáis means you are in the vosotros form. That is to say, the you plural form when you're friendly with the people that you're talking to and it's not in a polite situation. And lastly, but not least, están. Están means they are or you are using the ustedes form. So there you have it, the irregular verb estar, to be in Spanish, in all its glory and its particular parts in the present tense. Now, if you did find that useful, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel? And if there are any videos that you'd like me to make on any topic about learning Spanish, please put them in the comments below. Hasta pronto, amigos, míos. Now, if you did find that useful, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And can I perhaps be cheeky and ask, why don't you actually subscribe to the channel? Muchas gracias, amigos míos.